Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another dessert and these are coconut meringues. They're very much like regular meringues except for the addition of coconut to them. This dessert or treat is the favorite of my parents. It's my parents' all-time favorite because it reminds them very much of their childhood. So I'll show you guys how to make it. So you'll need to make the coconut meringue sweets is 250 grams of coconut, 160 grams of sugar, vanilla, 4 egg whites, and a pinch of salt. So your first step is to put in a mixing bowl your egg whites and your salt, and you're going to mix it with an electric mixer until it starts to make a foam. So I'm just going to put in the vanilla with the sugar, because we're going to mix them together like at once. So now this is what the egg white should look like, a nice foamy mixture. So now we're going to start to slowly incorporate our sugar mixture into the egg whites. So now that we've got our meringue mixture going on, we're just going to slowly add in our coconut, and we're going to start folding it into our meringue mixture. And the secret is that we don't want our dough or mixture to be like I don't know, hard or something like that, because it will dry up. So the secret is to make it gooey. So this is what our mixture should look like. And as you can see, we've used up all of the coconut, and sometimes you won't really end up using all of it. You might need more or you might need less, because it depends on how much does the coconut absorb like fluids and stuff. So now we're going to take our piping bag and we're going to put in our egg white coconut mixture, and we're going to pipe them just like we did with meringues. So now we're just going to pipe them gently. So before we start piping, just remember that you have to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, I've made different shapes and sizes just to show you guys that like you can control the shape and the size of your meringues, because these are just meringues with coconut. So now that we've piped all of these and ran out of our meringue mixture, we're just going to put it in the oven. So we're going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to keep a close eye on it as they cook very quickly. So after 10 minutes we took it out of the oven, and as you can see it's golden brown, and now we're just going to wait for it to cool down and then we can serve it. So this is the final product, and as you can see they look very golden brown and they're crunchy. So I'm not gonna try one because I don't really like coconut. For me it's just the texture. I don't really like the texture of coconut, but from what I heard from everyone who's tried this in my family, they say that it's crunchy from the outside and it's gooey from the inside, very much like regular meringues, except for they have that additional texture and flavor of coconut. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so you guys can support me to make more videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!